So we are on page 41, just got done with the carpentry section, and we're going to move into the practice problems, pages 41 through 42. And what we're going to do is we're just going to work through a couple of these. First set of problems here. They're trying to find out what it would cost to add on or renovate a house. And given the price of $80 per square foot, we're going to multiply that $80 by how many square feet there are in this renovation or new construction that we've got there. So in number one, we've got a new construction. So if you look at the instructions, it says that if we have a new construction, it's $80 per square foot. So we're going to take number one, we've got a room that's 9 foot by 12 foot we're adding onto this house. So you're going to multiply 12 by 9, and you got 108. If you knew your math or your multiplication table since 8th grade, you'd be able to do that in your head. 9 by 12 is 108 square feet. So we have to multiply that by $80 per square foot, and we'll get how much it's going to cost to add that room. Okay, when you look at number 5, we have a renovation. It's 18 by 30. So we're going to multiply 18 by 30 and then multiply that number by how much it's going to cost to renovate. And in the instructions, it says it costs $100 per square foot to renovate. So we're going to take 18 times 30, multiply that by 100, and that will tell us how much we're going to spend to renovate that part of the house. As you continue on page number 42, 10 through 18, we're going to skip that. That has to do with board feet. We're also going to skip 20 and 21. We're going to do numbers 22, 23, 24, and 25. So 22, we've got a 4 by 8 sheet of plywood. That's the normal size of a sheet of plywood. And it's $14.95 per sheet. Obviously, that's pre-COVID because they're double that, at least now, depending on how thickness and how good of quality plywood you buy. And we're buying 6 of those. So we need to find out how much that will cost. So $14.95 times 6. We're going to do 4 packages of shingles. And those shingles are $19.75 per package. Again, anymore, if you go to Home Depot, you're looking at over $30 for a package. And incidentally, a package of shingles, shingles are measured in what are called squares, and 3 packages equals 1 square. And 1 square is 10 square feet. So just a little bit of information there when you're talking shingles. If you want to talk intelligently, it's 3 packages, and those 3 packages give you 10 square feet. So that's just some helpful information there. And then the last part of this, you've got some common nails. So regular old zinc nails, usually made in China anymore, and they're not as easy to nail because they always bend. And those are 62, oops, that's not a very good 2. Let's see if I can get rid of that and do it again. 62 cents, that's a cent sign, per pound, and we need 5 pounds. So we multiply all these together, come up with a list here of how much it's going to cost, add that list here, and we will get a total cost there for what we need at Home Depot or wherever it is you're at. So that is it as far as talking about carpentry.